welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News. Today we have a significant and supporting development in American politics that we need to discuss in depth. Former Republican Representative Liz Cheney has announced her support for Vice President Kamala Harris in the upcoming presidential election. This is a major shift and could have far-reaching implications in this video. We will explore China's decisions, why it's important, and what it means for the election. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any updates on this involving story. Let's get into it. In a surprising and impactful announcement, former Republican Representative Liz Cheney has stated that she will be voting for Vice President Kamala Harris in the upcoming November presidential election. This news has created a significant buzz in political circles, as Cheney has been a prominent figure within the Republican Party, and her decisions represents a notable shift in her political stance. Liz Cheney, who served as a representative from Wyoming, has been known for her conservative views and a strong support for Republican policies. However, her recent decisions to endorse a Democratic candidate, Kamala Harris, is driven by her deep concerns about the future of American democracy and the threat she believes former President Donald Trump poses to it. Cheney made this announcement during a speech at Duke University, a well-known institution that has hosted many influential figures and discussions on political matters. In her speech, Cheney highlighted the importance of her decisions, especially in critical battleground states such as North Carolina. These states are pivotal in determining the outcome of the presidential election because they often have a significant numbers of electoral votes that can swing the results one way or the others. Chinese focus on North Carolina underscores the strategic nature of her endorsements and a crucial role in the individual states play in the overall election process. China's decisions to support Harris is not just a personal choice but a statement about the broader political landscapes. She explains that the danger posed by Donald Trump is so severe that it outweighs traditional party loyalties. Cheney has been a vocal critic on Trump, especially following the events on Jan 6, 2021. When the Capitol was stormed by his supporters, her criticism of Trump and her role in this process have set her a patch of money in her party, leading to significant consequences for her political career. Her opposition to Trump has not been without repercussions. Cheney was removed from the positions as chair of the House Republican Conference. As a role she had held with the distractions, her removal was a direct result of her outspoken and criticism of Trump and her votes to impact within. This action was seen as a betrayal by many within the Republican Party, and Cheney faced considerable backlash from Trump supporters and GOP leaders. Despite these, Cheney has remained steadfast in their commitment to her principles and her belief that Trump's influence poses a serious threat to American democracy. China's decisions to endorse Harvard is also a reflection of her commitment to the value enshrined in the U.S. Constitution. As a conservative of long constitutional principles, Chinese support for a democratic might seems surprising, but it underscores her belief that the stakes in this election are too high to remain loyal to party lines. For Cheney, for this election is about protecting the democratic process and ensuring that the values she believes in are upheld. The political impact of China's endorsements could be significant, especially in key battleground states. Her support for Harris may influence voters who are concerned about Trump but are hesitant to vote for a Democrat. Cheney's endorsements provides these voters with a clear alternative and reinforces the idea that the election is not just about party politics but about the future of the country. In addition to her endorsements of Harris, Cheney has been active is opposing Trump's influence within the Republican Party. She has used her platform to campaign against Trump-endorsed candidates and has supported moderate Republicans and Democrats who share her views on upholding democratic principles. Her political action committee has been involved in various efforts to counter Trump influence. Trump influence, including funding advertisements that urge voters to reject Trump-backed candidates. She efforts to combat Trump's influence extend beyond her own endorsements. She has been a vocal critic of Trump's false claims about the 2020 elections being stolen and has actively worked to support candidates who oppose these falsehoods. How Political Actions Committee has placed ads in key states like Arizona, urging voters to reject Trump's allies and support candidates who are committed to truth and integrity. Despite the challenges she has faced, she remains committed to her cause. Harvey's and endorsements of Harris is a continuation of her effort to protect democratic values and prevent Trump from regaining power. These decisions highlighted the deep divisions within American politics and the ongoing struggle to uphold democratic norms and principles. As the election draws nearer, Kenny's supports for Harris may have a significant impact on the outcome, particularly in background states where every vote matters. Her endorsement provides a crucial alternative for voters who are uneasy about Trump but are reluctant for the Democrats. By supporting Harris, Cheney is significant that she is willing to put her principles above party loyalty and do what sides believes in necessary to safeguard the future of American democracy. Cheney's actions also highlight the broader context of the election and the importance of making informed and thoughtful choices. Her endorsements of Harris is a reminder that this election is about more than just party affiliations. It is about choosing a candidate who will protect the democratic values that are fundamental to the nation's identity. Cheney's decisions to vote for Kamala Harris represents a significant moment in American politics. It underscores the high stakes of the upcoming election and the importance of making choices that align with the democratic principles. Chinese endorsements is a powerful statement about the future of the country and the need for voters to carefully consider their options. Russia's endorsement of Kamala Harris is a bold and significant development in the lead up to the November election. Her decisions to cross party lines and support Harris reflects the seriousness with which she views the threat posed by Donald Trump. What do you think about China's decisions? Will it influence voters in key battleground states? That's the question mark. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you found this analysis valuable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Global Scope News for more in-depth political coverage and updates. This is Mohsin Ali, and I will see you in the next time with more important news. Stay informed and stay engaged. Take care.